5 Best Strength Training Workout Routines for Beginners, Home and Gym. You need to lift weights to grow strong. In this beginner's guide to strength training, you'll have both the confidence to start getting strong with resistance training and a plan to follow. How do I start strength training or resistance training? Which strength training program is right for me? How much weight should I lift? By the way, we've combined this video along with the rest of everything you need to know guide. How do I start strength training? Weights like these are great tools for strength training. Welcome to the first day of the rest of your life. You'll look back years from now and thank past you for starting strength training today. And I promise, you will strength train today. After all, strength training or resistance training doesn't need to be scary or overcomplicated. Strength training really comes down to 2 things. Movement of any weight against resistance, including your body weight, doing any exercise that pushes your muscles outside of their comfort zone, forcing them to rebuild stronger to prepare the next challenge. Progressive overload, doing slightly more than last time, lift heavier weight or do one more rep consistently. Your muscles will constantly have to adapt and rebuild themselves stronger. That's it. This means if you drop down and do 1 knee push-up right now, technically you've done a strength training workout. It also means if you then do 2 new push-ups tomorrow, then you are officially following a strength training routine. In other words, you can do this. You can do it, so start strength training. Now, there are many different strength training and resistance training paths. Like a skill tree in a video game with branching paths and progressions, you can progress up one path, and mix and match movements from others depending on the situation. These paths depend on your goals and what equipment you have available to you. Here are the types of strength training. Bodyweight training. Bodyweight training is simply doing an exercise in which your own body is the weight you are lifting. This is the best place for anybody, regardless of weight or age, to start their strength training journey. Why is this the best place to start? 2 big reasons. Number 1, you always have your body with you, unless you are a ghost, in which case, this is awkward. This means you can work out anywhere with bodyweight training. Number 2, using your body for resistance training is the most human thing ever. By learning to push and pull and hang and squat and lunge, you are doing what your body is literally designed to do. By getting strong with bodyweight movements, you're making yourself anti-fragile and less injury-prone. Bodyweight training isn't as easy to scale, the difficulty is some of the other strength training methods put more weight on barbell, but you can get really strong with just bodyweight training. For example, you can start with knee push-ups, then go to regular push-ups, then elevated push-ups, then even up to things like handstands and handstand push-ups. It promotes endurance, strength, and cardiovascular health. Complete 1 set of each exercise and then moving directly onto the next exercise. 20 body weight squats, 10 push-ups, 20 walking lunges, 10 dumbbell rows using a gallon milk jug, 15-second plank, 30 jumping jacks, repeat for 3 rounds. Dumbbell training. Dumbbells are a great first step into the world of weight training and strength training. Most gyms will have dumbbells, even if it's a basic gym in your apartment complex. A set of dumbbells doesn't take up a lot of room, which means you can have a pair at home without a large footprint. Dumbbells make it easy to add difficulty to a bodyweight movement, holding dumbbells while doing lunges, for example. Dumbbell exercises can be less intimidating than barbell training for some, and are a step towards barbell training. Dumbbells have an added stabilization challenge, and will point out muscle imbalances pretty easily. Oh, my right arm is stronger than my left arm. You can scale easily. Once the 10-pound weights become too easy, pick up the 15-pound ones. If you are just getting started with dumbbells and you're looking for a beginner workout program to follow, reps, 10 goblet squats, 10 push-ups, 10 dumbbell rows per side. Kettlebell training. A kettlebell is essentially a cannonball with a handle on it. They come in any weight imaginable, they don't take up a lot of room, and can be used in dozens of ways for a great compact workout. Exercises you can do with just 1 weight. Although there are adjustable kettlebells, you'll most likely be working with a single kettlebell, and then adjusting your movements for progressive overload, making the workout slightly more difficult each time. So, probably not in a phone booth or a closet or a bathroom stall. But other than that, pretty much anywhere else. Complete 3 kettlebell workout circuits. 8 halos each side, 10 goblet squats, 8 overhead presses each side, 15 kettlebell swings, 8 bent over rows each side, 6 front rack reverse lunge per side. If you are a member at a gym, they'll probably have multiple kettlebells that you can use to level up. Barbell training. Regardless of sex or gender age, if your goal is to get strong quickly, use 20 seconds of courage and get comfortable training with a barbell. I'll help you, I promise. Progressive overload is easy. You simply add weights to either side of the bar, allowing you to progressively lift more and more weight each week. It's much easier to go heavy safely, especially for lower body movements like the squat and the deadlift. The biggest downside to barbell training is that in order to train at home, you need to have purchased a squat rack, a barbell, a bench, and enough weights for your house or garage, which can be an expensive investment, especially when starting out. If not, you definitely will need to join a gym. Do 3 rounds of 10 barbell squats, 10 push-ups, 10 bodyweight rows, 5 barbell Romanian deadlifts, 10 push-ups, 10 dumbbell rows per arm. You're not alone, this stuff can be overwhelming. Barbell training might be optimal in terms of building pure strength quickly, but if you don't see yourself actually getting to the gym regularly, or you're too self-conscious to enter the free weight section, for now, no problem. Start with bodyweight training. Conversely, bodyweight training might seem convenient and easy to start now. An example would be the barbell squat, which recruits every muscle in your core, butt, and legs to work together to lift the weight. This is way more efficient, and effective at building pure strength, than doing 5 different isolated leg exercises. Why do 5 exercises when one exercise will get you better results in 20% of the time? And size and also cardiovascular health. Many beginner strength programs will encourage you to keep things simple and just do 5 sets of 5 reps for each exercise in an effort to optimize progress as a beginner interested in strength gains. I personally encourage people to aim for a weight that they can lift for 8 to 10 reps. This gives you a chance to really work on your form and lift safely. If your main goal is general fitness and fat loss, doing a circuit training workout will likely help you reach your goals. Make sure you see our section below for strength training for weight loss. If your main goal is to get stronger and/or put on muscle, following a more traditional, pure strength style gym workout is going to get you there faster. Truth bomb: any strength training workout will help you reach nearly any goal provided you do 2 things. Eat correctly for your goals too. How you eat will account for 80 to 90% of your success or failure when it comes to weight loss or bulking up. Increase the difficulty of your workouts. This is that progressive overload stuff we were talking about earlier. Doing 1 more bodyweight squat, lifting 5 more pounds, or completing your circuit 10 seconds faster than last workout. By forcing your body to constantly adapt, your muscles will never get complacent and have to keep burning extra calories and rebuilding themselves stronger. Depending on your current situation, and how quickly you're looking to cut through the trial and error and get expert guidance, note, you can modify any of the barbell training programs to be done with dumbbells, if that's what you have at home. Lastly, you can always write your own workout plan. Did you enjoy this video? Please subscribe, like and share this video.